So in this video, I'm gonna go over this 360-degree visibility jacket right here. So this is like a safety jacket. If you're like me and you know what, you ride bikes or you do any walking or anything out there, this is something I recommend for you. It's got reflective striping running all the way around the back, across the shoulders, just like that. It's all that high visibility yellow like that. Well, it's kind of like a lime green. Black on the bottoms right there so you don't get them dirty, and then black down here because that's where you normally get dirty. It's got pockets right there. It's got a little bit of fleece lining on the pockets for keeping you warm. Oh, it's got a hood, so you got a hoodie that comes over nicely right there with drawstrings. They put a large ball on the end of them so you don't pull those strings through. You don't know how many times I've pulled those things through. Fits very true to size. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I'll throw some footage up of nighttime and show you what it looks like from a distance when a light hits it, and just show you how much more visibility you'll get when you're on a bike or if you're just out walking or doing something like that, especially in like bad weather, or if it's like dark, getting dark, that dusk or dark, or even morning times. I wear this when I go for my runs in the morning because I want as much visibility as possible out there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, high visibility, 360-degree visibility jacket. See you on the next video.